Hello guys! For today's video, I am going to show you on how to create a landing page using system.io. It is free and it is more effective and easy to set up. So, a landing page is a very short funnel, which is a kind of a website. The first thing that you're going to do is go to the website of system.io. So you need to click on this official website and it will redirect you to the homepage of system.io. Like what I have mentioned, it is free, so you will see here sign up for free. But actually, before doing this video, I already created my free account, so I will just click on sign in. Once I click on sign in, I'm already logged in and I am here on my dashboard. Because this is a new account, you will see no leads or no sales at all. Okay, actually when you use system.io, for example, the icons or the ribbons are here, but for me, I will see the icons or the ribbons under the menu bar. Okay, so you will see it here. You will see other options here: dashboard, contacts, funnels, emails, blogs, automations, products, and help. Okay, so after going to the system.io homepage and you're already logged in, click on menu and then click on funnels. Okay, so earlier I created, like a trial funnel. So this is what I created, test one. But now I am going to show you on how to create a new one. So just click on the create button. Okay, and then you will see here a pop-up box. You will see create a new funnel. So you need to put a name for your funnel. So earlier I created test 1, so maybe let's just use test 2. Under the name, you will see 4 options that you can choose from. Okay, build an audience, sell, custom, run an evergreen webinar. Basically, for those people who want to get leads, you will click on build an audience. Okay, if you will sell something, you will click on sell. Custom, if you want to build a funnel from scratch, so that's what we're going to do. So I will just click on custom. And then you scroll down, you will see here like the currency that you will use. So let's just choose US dollar. After that, you will be redirected to the next one, which is this one. Funnel has been created successfully. You will see here like your step configuration, your status, sales, deadline settings, and leads. Okay, so now go to the left part of the screen. You will see it here, create step. Now again, you will create name for your funnel. So like what I've used earlier, I will use test 2. Okay, now type is very important. Okay, so you will choose here what kind of type of funnel you are going to use. When you say opt-in, this is to squeeze the page of your audience if what they like. For example, make them what you are offering for. Okay, so you'll see opt-in squeeze page, inline form, pop-up form, opt-in thank you page, sales, webinar, miscellaneous, like that. Okay, so basically I am going to choose this one. Let's try the opt-in squeeze page and then click on save. After that, you will see a lot of templates that can fit to your funnel. Okay, so you will see different templates that will suit your style or you like. Or maybe you can also try to modify this templates that you see on your screen. Okay, so there is a lot. Now, for example, if you are trying to choose a template, just click on preview first so that it will go to the next tab, and then you will see here what it will look like when you already created your landing page. Okay, so let's try to select this one, for example. Let's see. So let's check again. So do you want your baby to sleep well at night? Oh wow, this is very helpful. Okay, I might need this. Okay, so just click on select. Okay, now it will redirect to the next step that you can see your URL path. Okay, the name of your funnel. Okay, so here in the right part of the screen, you will see save funnel, view funnel step, edit page. Okay, change page template. Okay, so you can just click on. Oh, by the way, remember that here in system.io, everything that you're doing is not auto-save. Okay, so once you are doing something on your funnel or while you are editing like that, always click save, save, save every minute, okay? So you will not lose your work. So let's say, for example, first let's go to the edit page. From the word edit, we can do a lot of things here in our funnel. So they call this, some of the how do you call this, the text here, or sometimes horizontally or vertically like that. But you can just edit this based on the landing page or the website that you want to see. For example, do you want your baby to sleep well at night? I'll just try to change it, guys, so that you will see the difference. Okay, let's say, for example, say, this is my problem. Okay, so basically, this is what I really want to have. Okay, so I'm just trying to change some of the text here because guys, you can edit a lot of things here. You have here the text, headline text, you can put some bullet. Okay, you can also add some pictures and some video, audio, like that. You can do a lot of things here, okay? Based on what you want, how creative you are. Because I am not good at making web page. I am not good at making nice things or creative things. So this might be very helpful for you. You can see a lot of options here where you can add it on your web page. Okay, so also you can have here like FAQ, countdown, like that. So it depends on you, okay, on how are you going to edit. I just tried to change the title from the original one so that you will see the changes earlier. How can I say, after editing this. Okay, so you can add some image like that. You can add home. This is very, very cool, and it's easy to use. It's friendly use. Okay, so these are called elements. So what is blocks? Let's see. Let's just check if what is blocks. I think it doesn't have anything. Oh, for features. Okay. Now, for example, you are done already editing this website page or landing page that you were creating. So you edited everything, the title, the content, the number, the pictures, so on and so forth, like that. Now it's time for us to save. Okay, so you see this one, click on Save Changes. Okay, and now we are done. Okay, we can just click this one. Now it says here URL path. Okay, now let's try to see what we created. Okay, so this is the link, right, of your URL. So let's just try to open it in another tab. Oh, this one, I'm sorry. Let's see. Oh, let me just save it first. Save funnel step. Okay, there. Now try to click view funnel. Oh, there, you got it. Okay, so going back, let me just show it again to you. If you're done already editing and creating your web page or landing page, you can just go to this one, view funnel, or you can just click on this one. What's this? Oh, copy. Let's try it one more time. If I do it here. Oh, it goes to, oh yeah, there. Okay guys, so cool. So this is already my link. You can just copy your link and then open it in a new tab, and then you will already see your web page. Or you can just click on view funnel step, and as you see it here, guys, this is the one that I edited, how to lose weight in just 1 month. This is the original one, do you want your baby to sleep well at night? And this is the one that I edited or created. So guys, this is already your home page or your landing page. You will see the home, contact, like that, the title, and every details that you created. Okay, but for me, I just edited this one. Okay, so going back, so that's how you are going to create your landing page using system.io. It's free, it's very easy and friendly to use. Cool! So guys, I will really recommend system.io because it's very friendly, very easy to use, especially for beginners like me. For example, me, I don't know how to create website. I don't know how to edit or design, webs like that. Also to create landing page. So this is really good for beginners like me. Also, it is very helpful for those people like, for example, marketer or those drop shipper or affiliate marketer who has low budget and wants to get leads or something like that. Also, this is very helpful for those someone who need to build their email list. So I think I will give system.io a 10 points because it's very convenient, very easy to use like that. You can just click on something and then you can learn a lot more. You can just try to explore the other tabs or other options that you can choose from here in system.io. So I would really recommend this if you want to create your landing page. And the best thing of it, it's totally free. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, okay, please don't forget to subscribe here on this channel. So just click the subscribe button below on your screen, and then also the link that we used here, especially the website, is already added on the description below. So please stay tuned and you will get more updated videos once you subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys. Bye.